y'all. My lives keep disappearing, so I'm terribly sorry, but I'm gonna have to make this live Q&A pretty short. I may pop in tomorrow and do a longer explanation, but I don't want to leave you hanging, and I promise to always answer you on Tuesday, so I'm answering you on Tuesday. But I got a speed coaching call with one of the FDDF Plus girls in about 5 minutes, and then as soon as that is wrapped up, I gotta leave and go to my RIA meeting so that I can learn about real estate investing too. It's a never-ending cycle. You never know everything. You got to keep going to the RIA meetings. Okay, Jamila says, can someone invest in the U.S. using your strategies while living abroad? Let me make sure I understood that. Can someone invest in America, in the U.S., using lease options while living abroad? And I'm going to say yes. I don't think... I mean, I know a lady from Germany who lives in Florida and buys properties in Florida, and her parents still live in Germany, and they also buy houses in Florida. I don't think there's any rule that says you have to be like on this ground to buy here. Now, there may be some states that require you to do like an in-person closing, so you may be limited on where you can buy, but if it's a question of if you can buy, oh yeah, girl, knock it out. Yes, I say yes. Until somebody tells me different, I vote yes. You can invest in the U.S. from abroad using my strategies or anybody else's. I don't know that anything would stop you. Awesome. Dawn's here and she is buzzing through the YouTube videos. That is good, good, good. So glad to have you here, Dawn. Kenisha, I'm sorry, recently joined the group, yay, and watched all the unit videos. All of my courses are closed. Yes, that's true right now. The only way that you can get in and get started with me right now is to get a ticket to She Buys It Live, and you want to get the VIP ticket because it comes with the recordings from last year and the recordings from this year. So even if you can't make it, you definitely want the recordings from last year, and then you can get the recordings from this year. It's the only thing I really have available, except I will say the mastermind is open. I do have a mastermind, and we limit that to only 10 people, 10 women at a time. And the mastermind is open right now, but it's by application only. I have to see that you are absolutely doing deals, that you are closing deals, that you already have properties, or you have properties in the pipeline. Like, you have to be super duper active in real estate to join the mastermind, or you have to already be in First Build and Fast. Yay! Okay, awesome. So you just wanted to know if it would work before you joined First Build and Fast? Okay, fantastic. Yes, absolutely. And y'all go to shebuysit.com. There's a bar at the top where you can get a VIP ticket to She Buys It Live. There's also a button with the courses. Now, the courses are all closed right now, except the mastermind. And when you're in the mastermind, you get First Build and Fast. So if you're wanting First Build and Fast, you can get it through the mastermind. But the mastermind also includes Apartment Blitz, so I can help you with commercial deals, Private Money Profits, so that I can help you with private money lending, and it includes Vacation Rental Riches. So since you're getting all 4 programs, it's a higher price point to join, and it's a monthly subscription into the mastermind, and it's expensive, all right? But that's why I require you to be doing deals. I need to make sure that you've got some money coming in and that you're trying to grow to $20,000 a month instead of just trying to get your first deal done fast. If that's the case, if you're not really in a growth spurt, you need to be at She Buys It Live, and you need to be in Knoxville this November at She Buys It Live. Go to shebuysit.com and get a VIP ticket so you get the recordings and so you can play cash flow with us. Everybody that gets in before the end of September can go on the Honey Hole Tour. And I'm going to tease this a little bit. If you get a ticket to She Buys It Live before September 18th, we have a special unannounced bonus for you. It's going to be amazing. Totally going to blow your socks off. Awesome. Definitely worth it. We're going to take a vote on what you want, though. We've got it down to 2 options, and that's for everybody that gets a ticket. If you already got your ticket, then you're going to get the bonus. Don't worry about it. But if you're thinking about getting a ticket to live, you need to get it before September 18th. Go to shebuysit.com and click that bar up at the top and get a VIP or an elite ticket to live. The elite ticket is basically like the hang out with me package. The VIP ticket is awesome. It is definitely the one you want. If you want to hang out with me in the mastermind and the She Buys It team before and after the main event, get the elite ticket. Okay. I've got to go, though. I got a plus girl waiting on me, and I got to get to her. I'll answer the rest of your questions tomorrow. Mwah. Bye, y'all. Oh, hit end.